Hello guys, welcome to Techno Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix blurry images and white dots in prints on Kyocera Taskalfa 5052ci printer.
Yesterday that guy Sharma called me.
Sharma said yesterday he was not on their side. Because I asked him, he said any news for that area. And then he sent me afternoon. And that's because the check is ready to be sent. Well, that's why we are not giving him the totally open there.
Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.